Oh, hi, you guys are here. Come on in. Hi. Welcome to Kotak 811. Think you know what a bank looks like? Think again. Kotak 811, we don't believe in being tied down to a desk. We work wherever we are comfortable. For our dress code, we wear whatever makes us feel comfortable in. Seriously,
Hi guys, what's up?
we wear whatever makes you, you. So here's what a day looks like. And after a day of hustling, here's how we unwind. Yay! Good game! It's time to go home already. Being professional and looking cool doing that, well, it's all in a day's work for us here at Kotak 811. So that was Kotak 811 for you, the bank that's more than just a bank.